Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the blind spot viewing monitor in the all-new 2022 Kia Carnival. I have in front of me here our EX Plus 3.5 liter in Ghost Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so first what we're going to do is on the 12.3-inch infotainment screen, we're going to swipe to the left, we're going to go into Setup, select Vehicle, and then under Driver Assistance, we're going to go down to Blind Spot Safety, and we're going to make sure that the blind spot view is checkmarked on. And now with the system activated, if I go ahead and put my turn signal on, it's going to use a camera mounted in the side of the mirror to give you a complete alongside view of that particular side. So if anybody happens to be sitting in it, somebody was walking by, or even there's somebody riding their bicycle, or whatever the case, you'll be able to get an additional line of sight before you make your lane change or your turn. And it works for both sides. And it doesn't matter what theme you have set in the instrument panel as well. It will still pop up on there regardless. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you, guys.